I never wanted to be a teacher. I never thought that I was going to be a teacher. I didn't go to school to be a teacher. My kids are the reason why I'm here. I was a stay-at-home mom for a long time, and when my youngest child went to school, my husband said, it's time for you to decide what you want to do, and it's time for you to focus on you. So I chose to become a substitute teacher, and it wasn't 1 week into being a substitute teacher at Marion Oaks Elementary School that I fell in love with the teaching profession. I chose to become a teacher because I want to make a difference in these kids' lives, and I love what I do. So what you're going to do is take your toothpick and you're going to get a hold of the side of the membrane, okay? And it's going to take you a little while. I don't stand in front of a class and just lecture. I want our students to have real-world experiences. I want them to do things for themselves. I want student-based learning. So we use these animals as a vehicle to give these students leadership skills, to give them skills that they're going to use in the real world. It's a way to draw them in to the agriculture class, to draw them into the agriculture industry, but they stay because they're learning, and they're learning real world skills and real world things that they're going to use as they mature and as they go out into the real world. So if you want to come on one side and I come on this side, let's see if we can get it out. Being the Rookie Teacher of the Year for Marion County is an amazing honor. Being a teacher, we don't do what we do to get recognition, but when somebody does recognize what we do, it means a lot. I'm just hopeful for the future, and it's been such a great honor to be recognized as Marion County Public Schools Rookie Teacher of the Year for 2022.